everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make some trash to treasure DIY. You may or may not know my daughter and I are dumpster divers sorry, and we find a lot of treasures in the dumpsters that can be saved and fixed if they have some problems, to give them a second chance in life. One of the things we found is this box. I think it's beautiful. I think it's for jewelry or stuff like that. It didn't have the glass, so I used this acetate that we also found in the dumpster, and I cut a piece to fit in here. I've already placed it because I don't want to make you lose time watching me inserting this piece here, which took a little bit of time. I just want to get into the real project. What am I going to do with this? Well, I found out that it has 24 compartments, so I thought it's wonderful as a countdown calendar, a very special and different one. So I wanted to do something for the cover. So I had this scrapbooking paper that I think is lovely, and it's not the same size that the window, so or the lid, so I place it on top of a white piece of paper, and I'm going to place it here inside the lid. So bear with me, I will try to do it quickly. Hopefully I will succeed. If not, I will do it off camera. In the meantime, let me tell you, this is a project that I'm making for the close collaboration. It was an idea of Kiki from Kiki's DIY, and we are a group of friends, and it's called Crafting with Friends. And this is kind of our present for all of you for the holidays, and we wish all you to have a happy holidays. And I will leave the links to all the channels of all the very, very creative and talented ladies that are participating in this challenge, in this collaboration, not challenge. Please visit their channels and watch the videos that are included in this collaboration, and enjoy our present to you. So I hope you will like everything you will see. I'm sure you will like everything you will see. And I will also leave the link to our Dumpster Diver channel, Dumpster Chicks, my daughter and I channel. And if you pay a visit, we will be very happy, and you will have a lot of fun. So this is how I made the lid to this box and countdown calendar. Now I'm going to fill these compartments. To do that, I have this scrapbooking paper. Oops, sorry, moving the camera, which has all the numbers, and they are not exactly the same size than the compartments, but I cut them to size. And I bought these little bags that they are the size of the, I have one here, of the compartment. When you fold it, they fit perfectly here. So what I did is I cut these pieces of paper and I glued them with this dispenser, double-sided tape. I'm going to glue this. Like so. And I made small pockets. And I added inside of them. I wanted to add different kind of candies and chocolates, but it's hard to find some chocolates that really fit in here. So I have M&Ms. And okay, well, okay. Let's do this the proper way, not with shortcuts. One more. Okay. I'm not doing the things right. Here we go. One is on the floor. I pick it up later. So I use M&Ms, and I also use these chocolates that are a little bit bulky, but well, I didn't want to be all M&Ms. And then the only thing I have to do is to place all these little bags in the compartment, like, oops, so. And now here you have it. I think it's really cute. I was thinking of writing here days to Christmas, but I thought, no, I want this to be a surprise, because this is a present for a friend, for her kids, and I wanted this to be a surprise. So they are going to receive this, and then when they open, they will see that there is one little thing for every day. And I thought that was, I don't know, better. So it's really simple, and I really like it. I think it's really cute, and I think they will enjoy. So this is it for this challenge and collaboration, sorry. And I want to thank all the ladies that are participating in this collaboration. They are so talented that it's an honor for me to share this collaboration with them, and also Kiki, who came with the idea, and I thank her a lot. She's adorable and amazing. Please visit the channels. Please watch the videos in the playlist. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.